Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to learn about cash advance loan. So in order to take out a cash advance loan, you must have a credit card. Well, usually we would use a debit card. You might be wondering because usually we take out a debit card to do that. So, but this is different. You can then withdraw the money from an ATM. So usually we just use debit card to withdraw money from an ATM. But with cash advance loan, you can you don't even need to have the account of that ATM. You don't even need an account of that bank. You can just swipe the credit card and you get all that, all the money you wanted. So this type of loan allow you to borrow money from a bank. And even if you don't have an account with them, even if you don't have an account with them, you can still do that. Cash advance loans are very convenient, but the interest rate is quite high. Therefore, it is best to pay them off as soon as possible. In addition to the interest, which is usually about 25% to 30%. So there's an additional transaction fee. There's an additional transaction fee too. The fee is either $10 or 3% transaction, whichever is higher depending on the amount you withdraw. For example, let's say you withdraw $200 and the interest rate is 25% per year. So you're just gonna so first we're gonna have to calculate the interest first. You take $200 and you multiply by 25%, and then you got $50. So that's the interest. The amount you need to repay the bank is you're gonna take the $200 and you add it with your interest, and then add with $10 too. Why? Well, there is a fee, so that's $10 more. So you need to repay the bank is you're gonna take principal, add with your interest, and add with the transaction fee, and the total is $260. When compared on payday loan or an income tax return loan or return anticipatory loan, the cash advance loan is better. Yes, I mean like payday loan or income tax return loan, they have like the interest rate about over like 300%. So compared with that, with a cash advance loan, it is better. But however, it is better to plan ahead and avoid taking on debt if at all possible, because we don't want to be in debt. We don't want that debt to haunt you. So let's practice. Why is it smart to only use cash advance loan when absolutely necessary? Why is it smart to only use cash advance loan when it's absolutely necessary? A. Cash is never really needed in today's society. B. There are transaction fees and interest rate that are quite high. C. The interest rate on cash advance loan are extremely low. So we should use it absolutely when necessary, not because cash is really needed in today's society. Because I mean, like we do still use cash a lot. Yes, we still use that a lot today. Um, but we shouldn't use it very much. We should only use it when absolutely necessary, because there are transaction fee and the interest rate that are very high, quite high. So you don't want that to be really high. Yeah, C, the interest rate on cash advance loan are extremely low. Well, they are very high. So if they are low, then why should we use cash advance loan when we need the money instead of a payday loan? So for me, I would choose B. What is the future of cash advance loan? A, both and B, okay. B, a fee per transaction. C, a fairly high interest rate. So you can actually yeah, a fee per transaction, yes. They also have a highly high interest. This is actually both B and C, not both A and B. Eric uses credit card at an ATM to withdraw $50 of cash. Which type of a loan did he use? So he just take his credit card to an ATM to withdraw $50 of cash. So he would use his debit card, go to an ATM, but he bring his credit card. So this would be a cash advance loan, not a mortgage, because it is used for house only, and small business only used for small business only. So cash advance loan it is. I want you to do this by your own. Thank you for coming and have a good day.